Hello, welcome to videos. We're going to do a quick revision of some basic problems in algebra. Now this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to show you the problem on your screen, and then when you see this icon here, you can pause the video, take out your notebook, and work out the problem. And then afterwards you'll see the solution to the problem and how you should go about solving problems of this nature. So great. So when I show you this sign, remember to pause the video. You want to learn fast and retain a lot of what you're doing. To benefit maximally from this approach, you need to be actively involved in learning, that is, doing the exercises. Great? Okay, so don't cheat on yourself. Do the exercise. Great. So, have you done that? Now, the first thing to do is when you approach a math problem, you have to ask yourself questions. Do I understand the question? Given that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3, calculate the value of xy squared. Now, what knowledge or skills is this question testing? It's testing your ability to substitute numerical values 2 and minus 3 in an expression. So where you see x in the formula or the term, excuse, you plug in the value of 2, and where you see y, which is minus 3, you plug in the value of that in the formula. So that's how you solve that problem. Let me show you the solution to that. You see where there is an x, which is 2, it's plugged in there 2, and since y squared means x multiplied by y, you have the multiplication sign there, and where you see y, you have to plug in the value of minus 3. Many students make the mistake and plug in 3. No, it is minus 3, and you put it in parentheses and raise to the second power, so it's very clear that you have to multiply 2 multiplied by first excuse, minus 3 squared will be 9, then 2 by 9 is 18. So that's the solution to that problem. Let's look at another example.